Hello and welcome back to my channel, basically Brandon. Who wants to do some crafts tonight? I do. That was weird, wasn't it? Hello. What is up, everyone? This is basically Brandon back with another video. We have been to the Dollar Tree, we have been to Walmart, we've been to a couple different places to pick up some materials. We're gonna craft, and these are inexpensive crafts. These are crafts that you can do at your house. I don't think that anything that I've got is gonna cost you more than $5 to $8 per craft. Yeah, about $5 to $8 per craft. We are going to jump right into this project. So the first thing you're going to need for this first project are two of these large mason jars that you can get at the Dollar Tree for $1 a piece. This pig and this cow that you can get for $1 at the Dollar General. Waverly white chalk paint, and then I keep this Gorilla Glue on hand, this Gorilla Epoxy. And you'll need it to attach the pig and the cow to the lids of the mason jar. So to begin, you're just going to take this Gorilla Glue, you're going to put a little bit out on a piece of paper, take a paintbrush, and just kind of swirl it together for about 10 seconds or so. And then you're going to use that glue to attach the pig and the cow to the lids, and you'll just see that in this clip. Next, we'll just go ahead and paint both of these mason jars, and you're just going to use the Waverly white chalk paint, and you're going to cover both of these mason jars. Now, once your pig and your cow lids are dry, you're going to go ahead and paint them white as well. We're just going to paint everything in this project completely white. That is it. Literally, you pay $4 and you can make these really cool jars. Now, I wouldn't put any kind of food in them, but I'm going to keep like receipts and stuff like that inside of mine in my kitchen. I just think they're so cool, and you know, you can find items like this a lot more expensively at other stores, but you can do it yourself for just $4. Now, this next project is probably one of my favorite that I've ever done. What you're going to need is 4 to 5 nautical ropes from the Dollar Tree, a pickle jar, a big pickle jar, black Waverly ink chalk paint, gray apple barrel paint, and then metallic spray paint as well. And then whatever you want to decorate this jar with after you finish it. So I have 3 of these stems from the Dollar Tree. Alright, to get started on this, we're just going to paint this pickle jar black, and you can go about halfway down on it. You don't have to go all the way down on this pickle jar. I think I went to 3/4. Go about 3/4 with the black paint, and just let it dry. Next, you're going to take that gray apple barrel paint. You're going to put it on a piece of scrap paper. I did it on one of my nautical rope. cardboard pieces, and then you're going to go napkin and blot the gray paint directly onto the black paint on the jar. Alright, so next you're going to take this metallic spray paint, and I sprayed it directly into a bowl, and then took another piece of napkin, dipped it into the paint, and then blotted it just like you did with the gray paint, and it gives this metallic finish to it. It looks really cool. Just trust me on this. Next, and let's be honest, you knew it was coming, we're going to take the nautical rope and we're going to hot glue it directly into the jar. And so you'll just start kind of about midway up on the jar, and you'll just loop it around and around and around, and you'll just see this in the video how I did it. And then towards the end, you're going to let it loop around on the bottom, so the bottom is not going to be glass, it's going to be that nautical rope, and you'll see that in the clips. Once you finish with the nautical rope, you are done. You can style it with whatever you have to put inside of this galvanized jar, this vase. But I chose to do those 3 stems, and I just think it is absolutely gorgeous. I love this project so much. I was so excited about it. I don't know where it's going to go in my house just yet, but I'm absolutely holding on to this. I love it so much. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out my channel again. If you are enjoying the content that is being produced on this channel, make sure that you subscribe and ring the little bell so that way you can get notifications when new content becomes available. I don't know what the next video is going to be just yet, but we'll get there together. So we'll see you next time. Bye.